Imagine furry little sea creatures swimming in the ocean. Imagine those creatures wrapped in long green seaweed. You're imagining a pack of sea otters. They almost died out, but they are coming back. This is why we think our tank is best fit for sea otters. A sea otter needs a circular tank. Sea otters need warm water, so we put a heater in the tank. A sea otter needs about 50 feet deep water, so the sea otter can dive. The whole sea otter tank should be about 100 feet long. The sea otter's tank is in sections, so there are different parts. A sea otter needs kelp for protecting their young. The tank needs to be 50 feet in diameter. They, the sea otters, have an obstacle course in the tank. The sea otters also have a lazy river. They have a sandy area to rest and relax. At the bottom of the tank, there are clams and rocks. The tank needs to have salt water in it. There needs to be more than one sea otter in the tank, otherwise they will get bored. There needs to be seaweed in the tank, and there also needs to be some females because of birth and more coming. The sea otters have cool little toys to play with. The tank is 50-50 inside-outside. The outside part is slightly tinted. Here's the part where we talk about the food. This is where you would feed them, at the feeding tricks area. You could, if you wanted to, also feed them at the obstacle course to get them to go through the hoops. They will eat 10 pounds, so if you have 5 sea otters, you would need 18,250 pounds for regular years and 18,300 for leap year. Now we will talk about the babies. Sea otters must have kelp because their mothers wrap their pups in kelp when they die for food. The mothers teach the pups to hunt for food, so they know how to hunt for food when they're older. We have a shallow part in the tank so the pups don't have to go to the deep end. When there are too many sea otters and when the pups grow up, we transfer them to another aquarium. This is how we will keep them safe. We will keep a night watchman, a light, a fence with barbed wire, 2 guards for the day, cameras, and a lock on the tank. We will not keep sharks, pollution, oil, and poisonous pesticides in the tank. We hope you choose our aquarium for the sea otters.